2024 BMW X1 Preview. Pros: roomy cabin, great to drive, all new last year. Cons: one of the pricier subcompact luxury SUVs. What's new? Possible M35i model. The 2024 BMW X1 is one of the stars of the subcompact luxury SUV class with performance, practicality, and even decent fuel economy. We expect pricing to start at around $40,000. To win a Kelley Blue Book Best Buy award, a vehicle has to excel in several areas. The X1 did that right out of the gate last year, when the current generation launched. Its styling is as contemporary as its technology, cabin space is impressive, and the X1 has many of the usual and desirable BMW driving traits. 2024 BMW X1 pricing. We expect the 2024 BMW X1 to start at around $40,000. For reference, the 2023 model starts at $39,100. There are no trim levels as such, just this one X1 xdrive28i model and an array of options. It's not hard to add another $7,000 with a handful of well-chosen extras. This estimate is for the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, and does not include any factory-to-dealer delivery fee, destination charge. For an indication, last year's destination charge was $995. Most of the competition such as the Audi Q3, Mercedes GLA, Volvo XC40, and Lexus UX are in the high 30s. The GLB, the slightly larger and more practical Mercedes subcompact SUV, is more like $40,000. The Jaguar E-Pace is closer to $50,000, although it is well appointed. Before buying a new X1 subcompact luxury SUV, check the Kelley Blue Book fair purchase price to know what you should be paying. Resale values haven't been an X1 strong point. The UX and XC40 fare much better. What's new for 2024? The current generation of X1 was all new last year, but the internet is buzzing with rumors of a more powerful variant in the pipeline, an M35i. Power, ride, and handling. The X1 employs a turbocharged 241 horsepower engine that's really among the best in its class. BMW claims a time of 6.2 seconds in the sprint from standstill to 60 miles per hour, which is pleasantly brisk and faster than the competition. After our time behind the X1's steering wheel, we wouldn't be surprised if BMW was even understating its speed a little. We always love to drive BMW vehicles. They invariably have a special something to the way they accelerate and move around corners, yet still with a sufficiently comfortable ride quality, stability, and a confident feel to the brakes. This describes the X1 to a T. We've spent hundreds of hours driving and researching the current collection of subcompact luxury SUVs, including the X1. Fuel economy. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, estimated the 2023 X1's fuel economy at 28 mpg, 25 city, 34 highway, and we expect the same for 2024. Even though the X1 has more power than most rivals, it also beats them in this respect. The Audi Q3, for example, has a combined figure of 25 mpg. Winning interior. From its cool interior design up front to the generous cargo space, the X1 beats most of the competition. The quality and fit of materials are appropriately premium, while the seats, especially the fronts, are sufficiently comfortable and supportive for long trips. The rear seats split and fold in a 40/20/40 manner, which is a little more versatile than the usual 60/40 arrangement. Rear legroom of 37 inches is excellent for the class. And there's 25.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, emphasizing the X1's roominess. If space for rear passengers and cargo was a priority, then check out the slightly more accommodating Mercedes GLB. Otherwise, consider this another win for the X1. Decidedly BMW exterior. There's no disputing the X1's BMW-ness, thanks to that prominent double grille. For those who are already in the like camp, that's great. We're here with you. The X1 probably won't change any minds on looks alone, though. Fortunately, it has many other attributes. White or black are the only no-cost paint choices. Other colors start at around $650. Our favorite features and tech. Infotainment system. User-friendly and able to understand commands given in natural speech. This system includes Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, navigation, and the capability for remote software upgrades. Live Cockpit Plus. This is the name given to the curved one-piece unit that incorporates the driver's instrument cluster and the infotainment display. It's standard in the X1 and contributes to the cabin's tech-rich feel. LED headlights with cornering lights. Another standard feature, but we particularly like the cornering lights that follow the steering and illuminate bends better than regular headlights. Harman Kardon Audio. This superb 12-speaker/360-watt surround sound system is part of the premium package that also includes several other desirable features. Active Driving Assistant Pro. This options bundle includes assistance with lane changing, emergency stops, if the driver has a medical crisis, and evasive steering. We usually recommend getting as many safety features as possible. You never know when you might need them. Parking Assistant Plus. Also part of the optional premium package, this feature helps find a suitable parking space, parallel or perpendicular, and steers the X1 into it. The driver works the throttle and brakes. It'll help with driving out of the space too. Engine and transmission. The one engine for the X1, so far, is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder unit. Although this kind of configuration is extremely common, we think there's something uncommonly good about the way BMW executes it. It's sweetly responsive to throttle inputs and delivers its power in a smooth manner that can still be exciting. Output is 241 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, noticeably better than the base models from most of the X1's rivals. A 7-speed automatic transmission sends this energy to a standard all-wheel drive system. 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. The X1's new vehicle and powertrain warranties follow the usual luxury sector pattern of 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever happens first. BMW also includes roadside assistance for that time, except with unlimited mileage.